This is a QSC TouchMix 16. So the main problem in this one is the touch screen is completely cracked and we need to replace the screen. And there is another problem here. It's the half of the channels, they don't work. So by checking the board, you can see a visible crack burned in this chip. So this chip is the same as this one. When I checked the data sheet for this chip, it showed that this chip is controlling audio on 8 channels. So that's explaining why it's half channels that don't work. Because a 16, so the half is 8. So I ordered this chip. I check what causing this chip to go bad. Yeah, we are going to check why this chip is burned. And so now let's focus on the screen. Yeah, for the TouchMix, the screen is kind of very hard to find and they are very expensive. The QSC, they were selling the screen in their website for a $500 and they don't have them in stock anymore. So after a little bit search on the internet, I find this screen. So if you look at this screen, it's a little bit different. Yeah, but it fits in the housing, the screen housing. The connectors are the same. And it came with this memory card with the software in it. And it came with this component. The QSC, they no more using the old screen in their board. They are using a new version LCD screen with the touch. And that's required to install the SMD components, the one so this component we received with the screen. And here there is no paper, like where the component is going to install it. I contacted the QSC support and they explained to the technician the problem, and he said, hold on, we can get you the paperwork for that one. So I was waiting like 5 minutes. They put me in the hold. Then like just they hang up. So I waited, said maybe the call drop it. I wait like 10 minutes. Maybe they're gonna call me back. And I called them again. Someone else answered. I explained again the problem. Said I was with the technician, and he said, hold on. Then I don't know, the call is dropped or something happened. So he said, we are sorry, we don't prove no paper for a repair to the customer. If you want to repair your unit, you need to go to one of the repair center and we can get you. I said, I want to repair it by myself. He said they don't allow the customer to repair their unit by themselves. So and I asked them a question, why you are selling the part in their websites? Because if you go to their website, you're gonna find this memory card in there. You will find these knobs, these plugs here. You will find a couple components over there. So when they are selling them to everyone, to the customers as well. And the customers is gonna plus the screen, it was in their website. And I told them, hey, the screen in your website. If I order the screen from website, you have to send the paper with it, where the component is going to be installed. Oh, he said, no, we don't do that. So I'm 5 minutes arguing with them about this issue, and they just say, I give up. They just, they want the unit to go to their center for charging like, I think they charge about $800 to replace the screen. So $500 for the part, $300 the labor. And we already have the screen here. So there is 2 things we can do here. All right, let me show you here. In the end I contacted the seller where I got the screen from, and he sent us the paperwork. And when I make the search, basically the component is just for the LCD screen, not for the touch. This touch, it will work fine if you have a good LCD, and that's what is our case here. We have a good LCD, bad touch screen. So we're gonna turn on the unit. It's already on. You can see the unit works, the LCD works. And we are going to use the touch screen. Here, you can see now. Alright, you can see the touch screen, it works. So let's disconnect this one. So we can use this LCD, the old LCD, and with a newer screen. But the customer, he wants the new screen because he's the one who ordered the new screen. So the capacitor still looks good, but look like there is a liquid damage and the components over there. You can see the liquid damage over there. And I think that's what's causing the chip to burn. That's really bad liquid damage over there. Yeah, I think I need to take these four. This one here and this one's here. Yeah, now it's clearly, you can see the water damage, so let's clean it. So let's check if there is any short. Yeah, this is a conductor. Alright, yeah, there is no short component over there. That's good. So maybe it was just like a small corrosion bridge that's causing the chip, causing this chip to blow. And yeah. So next, when I got the chip, I'm gonna replace it. But right now, we are gonna do the screen work. Alright, that's where the component we're gonna install. Is the same between the TouchMix, and we have the schematic diagram for both TouchMix 8 and TouchMix 16. It shows it's, yeah, that's the backlight circuit, and this is the yeah, that's the LCD power IC. And these modifications is applied for the TouchMix 2016 or older, or 2001 and older. So how to, and this is how to figure out the year of the TouchMix from the serial number. So the one that I have here is DG, so the second one, it should be like here, and G is 2016. So the one we have is a 2016, is an older board. Alright, yeah, I didn't replace the memory card. I just want to see if it's gonna work with the old memory card. And yeah, it works. You can see the screen. It works. I'm still gonna put the new SD card. Yeah, that's the new SD card come for the screen. Alright. So next, I'm just gonna replace that IC for the other 8 channels to work. Then we go from there.
A few minutes later.
This is the replacement IC. This is the part number for the chip CS5368, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 input channels. So when this chip goes bad, it means we have 8 inputs not working, and that's what is explaining half of the mixer works and the other half not. Alright, let's test it. It's connected to the amplifier. And yeah, let's test it. So we test the channel 1, 2, 3 test. It works. So let's go skip 1. 1, 2, 3 test. That's number 3. Okay, number 3. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. Okay, let's go number 7. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3. Alright, yeah, number 10. Test. 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 All the channels works. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.